Next, or question. Write linear equation for the following statement. 3i means 3 times means a number that is x, 3x. Decrease means minus by 5, so 5 is means equal to 9. Answer. Now next, a number is multiplied by 2. Suppose this number is x multiplied by 2, that is 2. Each means equal to 3 more means plus 3. Then the number itself, the number is x. Answer. Understand? Next question, question number 31. Observe the adjoining figure. Answer the following question. Name the two pair of the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle means cross with the opposite wala को vertical opposite angle कौन दिए सर? No. So vertical opposite angle means 1 angle, 4 angle. Another is 3 angle, 2 angle. Also you can write 5, 8. Also 6, 7. Clear? Name the two pair of the angle forming the linear pair. Okay, linear pair means this and this. So write down 1, 2, then 2, 4, then 4, 3. Okay, also 1, 4. Okay, মানে উপরে 4টা আছে তলে भी 4টা আছে. There are the 8 linear pair are there. Next, question number C. Name the two pair of the adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means adjacent angle. Pakha pakha. Okay. Same sides adjacent lagi ki thibo nahi. So 4 angle, 6 angle. This is adjacent, same side. Then 5, 3. 5, 3, this is also adjacent angle. Okay, this is called adjacent angle. This angle are adjacent angle. Okay. Next question. If the adjoining triangle, if BAD equal to 45, CAD equal to 50, find angle ADB equal to 85. Sorry, and angle ADB equal to 85. Find this angle. Okay. So given that BAD angle is equal to 45. BAD, this angle is 45. Also given that CAD is equal to 50 degree. CAD is equal to 50 degree. Yes or no? We can find BAC. Yes or no? We can find BAC is equal to BAD plus CAD. Now 45 plus 50 is equal to 95 degree. Okay. So now ADB is equal to 85. ADB, this angle is 85 degree. Question is find ABD. ABD, this angle. Okay. So in triangle ABD, we can write ABD plus BAD plus ADB is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Yes or no? So ADB, write ABD plus in BAD we can write 45 plus ADB we can write 85 is equal to 180. Now ABD equal to 180 minus 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 113, 130, that is 50 degree. So also find ACD. So find A. Okay. So we know that ADB angle is equal to ACD plus DAC because exterior angle property. exterior angle property, yes or no? So ADB is equal to 85. So ACD equal to, find ACD, and DAC equal to 50 degree. Now ACD is equal to 85 minus 50 is equal to 35 degree. Therefore ACD equal to 35 degree and ABD equal to 50 degree. Clear? Sorry, ABD equal to 50 degree. Next question. Draw a line segment AB equal to 10 cm. First, with the help of the scale and pencil, draw a line segment that is 10 cm AB. Suppose this is AB 10 cm. Write down 10 cm. Mark a point X such that AX is equal to 6 cm. Okay, AX is equal to 6 cm. 6 cm. Draw a line through the X perpendicular to the AB. Okay, perpendicular means 90 degree draw kar dabo. 60, 180, sorry 120. This is 90. Compass and ruler. Complete. Next question. UP, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Haryana are the leading state in the production of the rice wheat in India. There is always a tough competition within the state. A census report are given. Question is first, what the information is given in the bar graph. Bar graph means production of the rice and the wheat in the 5 states in different, only write down production of the rice and wheat in 5 states. Okay, so A number is production of rice and wheat in 5 states. Next, which state is the largest producer of the rice? Okay, so rice is black, so black is West Bengal, so answer is West Bengal. Next, question number C. Which state has the total production of the rice and wheat as the maximum? Maximum, okay, add karo, that is 14, 8, so 14, 8, 22, so this is 10, 2, that is 12, this is 6 plus 6 also 12, this is 4 plus 2, that is 6, ये भी कम होगा, so answer is UP. Okay, next question, section D, question number 35. A cement company gains ₹12 per bag of white cement sold, okay, get a loss ₹8 per bag of a grey cement sold. If the company sells 3,500 bag of white cement and 5,000 bag of the grey cement, find the total gain or loss. Okay, first write down gains in one bag of selling white cement is ₹12. Then gain in 3500 bag of selling white cement is equal to 112 into 3500. Yes or no? To solve, so 35 into 12, so 35 2 is 70, 35 1 is 35 350, 35 2 is 70, 0 12 4 means 420 rupees. Now find loss in one bag of grey cement rupees 8. Now find loss in 5,000 bag of grey cement is equal to 8 into 5,000, that is 8 5 are 40, 40 re 3 to 0, that is 40,000. This is 42,000. Okay, so find the gain or loss. So write down. So gain equal to 42,000 and a loss equal to 40,000. So now find the gain, that is gain is equal to 42,000 minus 40,000 equal to 2,000 rupees gain hour. Okay, next question. Or question, find the value 5 square, that is 25, into minus 1 to the power odd, that is minus 1, minus 1 to the power even is equal to plus 1. So this is minus 1 into minus 2 to the power 3, that is 8, into 9 into minus 1, the 3 to 0. Now 25 8 ja 200, 9 ja 9 2 ja 18. So 18 re 2 to 0, it is 3 to 0, minus minus minus, that is minus, because there are the odd number of minus are there, that's why minus. So answer is minus 18 by 18 lakh. Okay, next question. Raman deposit 5,000, so principal equal to rupees 5,000 and rate of interest equal to 8% per annum and time equal to 3 years. Sunita deposit, okay, after 4 years who get? First find out simple interest for Raman. So simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Put the value P, that is 5,000 into T is 3, R equal to 8 divided by 100, 0 0 cancel, 8 5 3 ja 15, 15 8 ja 120, so 120 10, so answer is 1200 rupees. Now find for Sunita principal equal to same 5,000 and rate of interest 6% per annum, time equal to 4 years. Now find SI, so SI equal to PTR by 100, so P equal to 5,000, T equal to 4 into 6 by 100, now 0 0 cancel, 6 5 4 ja 26 ja 120, then 0 same 1200. So write down, there is no, who will get more interest? They get equal interest. What amount will each get? So write down amount for Raman is equal to 5,000 plus 1200 for Raman, for Sunita and Raman equal to 6,200 rupees. Clear? Because they both are get equal amount. Understand? Next question. Question number 37. In an orchard, there are the 2A plus B plus 2 mangoes tree, 3A minus 2B plus T are apple tree. So number of mango tree mango tree is equal to 2a plus b plus 2. Now write down number of apple tree is equal to 3a minus 2b plus c. If a plus c plus 3 trees were destroyed, then how many trees? Okay, first write down total number of apple and mango tree is equal to, simply we add the number, that is c plus 2 because it is c9 number achi. This is 2 plus minus b 3a 2a, that is 5a 5a. Okay, then cyclone destroy ketala, so number of the tree destroyed, write down now, number of trees destroyed due to cyclone is equal to a plus a plus c plus 3. Now r 3 plus 2, that is 5, c plus c, that is minus karibo, subtract habo, change karo sign, that is minus, also minus, so answer will be minus 1, c cancel, so minus b, so it is b nai mane 0, okay, 0 b, so b only minus b, so a yauchi 5a, 5 means 4a, so answer is 4a minus b minus 1. Clear? Either it b jodi 2 achi se anusare answer habo kete 4a minus b minus 1. Okay, next question number 38. Draw a line PQ. First, draw a line PQ. Take a point M not lying on it. Okay. Throughout M, draw a parallel lines using PQ. Using compass and ruler. Okay. Through the M, draw a line parallel to the PQ. Okay. First, take a point any on the P, that is suppose L. First, draw M and L. So again here draw any arc, same arc draw at the point M. Now measure this arc, then chord the arc, now draw. Okay. Next question number 39. The perimeter of a square is same as the rectangle. Okay. So questions kouchi kono na perimeter of the square, according to question, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter square means 4 into side. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Side of the square is given 15, so put the value. And one side of the rectangle is 18, so also put the value 18 plus b. Now 4 into 15 divided by, here 2 asibo, divided by 2, so 18 plus b. So 2 2 ja 4, 15 2 ja 30, so 30 equal to 18 plus b. Now b equal to 30 minus 18, that is 12. So find the area, rectangle, length into breadth. So length equal to 18, breadth equal to 12, that is 180, 18 to 36, 6, 11 to 216 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. Raju ran 3 times around a rectangular garden. 1 times means it covered its perimeter. Okay. Length and breadth are given. Okay. First, write down for Raju. Length of rectangular garden is equal to 30 meter and breadth is equal to 15 meter. So write down Raju cover distance in 3 round is equal to 3 into perimeter of rectangle. This is according to question. So 3 into 2L plus B, because formula of the perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. So 3 into 2, 30 plus 15, that is 45. 45. So 45 2 ja 90 into 3, that is 270 meter. Means he covered in 3 times but 3 rounds in 270 meter. Okay. Then Manu ran 2 times around the square field. So for Manu cover distance, he covered distance around a square field is equal to 4 into, sorry, how many times? 2 times, means 2 into, this is also according to question, 2 into 4 into side, because 4 into side is the perimeter. That 2 times कौन करिवो 2 times around करिवो square field तो 2 into हबो. So 2 into 4 into 35, so for 70, 74, 280 means 280 meter. Okay. Now, who cover more distance and how much? So who cover? Na Manu. So write down Manu cover more distance than Raju by 10 meter. Okay. Next question. The following table shows the circulation of the newspaper in the 6 language. Prepare a bar graph with the suitable scales. Okay, first draw x-axis, then draw, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So in x-axis we take the English, Hindi, Punjabi language, Tamil, Urdu and Marathi. Here is 100 increase. So first is 100, next 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So first this is 0. So first what a bar draw kariba 500 wala English. First draw English 500. Okay, write down English. Next Hindi 800. तो गोटे स्पेस करी ड्र करिवो 800 हिंदी नेक्स्ट पंजाबी 400 तो स्पेस छाड़ी गोटे छाड़ी 400 पंजाबी नेक्स्ट तमिल 100 तमिल देन उर्दू 200 नेक्स्ट मराठी 300 clear this is x axis write down this is language here is number of newspaper clear also write down scale in x axis one big only y axis लिखो y axis equal to one big box equal to 100 newspaper okay next completed तो फर्स्ट कमेंट करो केते तुम एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर रहिबो कमेंट बॉक्स रे जदि वीडियो पसंद लागे देन तुम सांग मान सहित शेयर करो थैंक यू।